Hello everyone. Here I am with very useful tip for inserting 6-plate idli stand into instant pot. Usually idli stand won't fit into instant pot. Lid won't be closed like how it fits into idli cooker. It's because of the stand height. The usual way is to keep plates one by one without stand. Thus keeping in and taking out hot idli plates is also painful. Moreover, only 3 to 4 plates can fit in. It won't be enough for a family of 4 even. Here is my super simple tip. Take out the 5 plates. Unscrew at the bottom of the stand. Remove the small ball and put the screw back. As you see, the stand height will be reduced. Now the stand fits in instant pot nicely. As a word of caution, keep bottom plate empty. Just in case if water from bottom gets into the plate due to low height, fill the idli batter in rest of the 5 plates. You can see with reduced height, instant pot lid gets sealed properly. Hope you find my tip useful. See you again with many more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.